Ludicrous Feed is proudly sponsored by Carloop Data and Koba Car Insurance. Hey everyone, Tesla Tom here. Thanks for joining us today on Ludicrous Feed. Just a very short video this morning to showcase a new set of shades from Jowua, our friends at Jowua, for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. It's so comfortable and so dark inside the cabin now with the shades on that I've had to use the low light setting for my camera just so that you can see me and what I'm showing you today. So as you can see, as I just pan around the cabin, I've managed to block out every single window, every single glass panel basically with the new Jowua sunshades. So here we are on the driver's side, that's all blocked out. And obviously the roof is blocked out as well with silver coated shades. And you can see behind me the rear windows there. I'm not sure whether you can see that, but certainly through the headrest, yes. And then the back window as well. There you go, back window is blocked out. And same with the passenger side on the front row and also the rear as well. We'll just do a quick close-up for each panel to see how good the gaps are. But I can tell you pretty much not much light is coming through the cabin with these Jowua shades. Now with this particular product, you only get the window shades, so we're talking 1, 2, back right, and then 3, back left, and then 4, front left, and the rear as well behind me, the rear window, so that's 5 shades. What you're seeing on the roof here is a separate product. That's silver coated glass roof shade. Highly recommend that. You guys might have seen my video comparing it with and without the shades on, so it does work, definitely. And also the front, let me just show you the front. So there's the front, and that is just the glass windscreen shade. That's a separate product as well. So that's quite nice because it fits really nicely around the mirror housing, and then you just use your visors to shut it down. You don't need to necessarily use the clamps or the hooks that come with the product for the front shade. I think it sits quite well without it. But certainly I think for the glass roof, it does require these clamps to be fitted, which don't add any pressure to the glass roof itself, but it does hold up the shades very well. Same with the window shades too. There's no hooks or clamps, but to install it or to get it going, you just have to actually put it on the window first to start with, and then when you shut the door, it sits nicely inside the trim like that. So beautifully fitting, certainly for this window. Let's have a look at each window. And then the only light coming through to the cabin is something like this, which is the fireplace setting. Now we're in like autumn and it's quite a warm day today, so I'm not going to leave this on for too long because I can feel the heat coming through already with this fire mode. So, but certainly in winter, if you're camping, for example, put camp mode on, have this on. It's actually quite cozy, and I'm actually starting to get a bit warm, so I will turn that off very shortly. Okay, so let's inspect the edges of the shades. So there we go. Some light does come through, of course. It's not 100% blocked, but you know what? It's pretty good for all intents and purposes. You know, as a parent, you do spend a bit of time in the car waiting for your kids, right? For extracurricular activities, school pickup, all that sort of stuff. You guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's actually really cozy in here. If you need that extra bit of privacy, or if it's a really hot day, you've got to sit in the car for a while. It makes for quite a nice mobile studio for someone like me to do content, or I guess just an office space to do Zoom meetings or whatever inside your Tesla with the air conditioning running. So it's pretty good. I highly recommend it if you need that extra bit of privacy or shade, the Jowua Sunshade set. So once again, 3 products on display today: the front windscreen, the glass roof, and then the 5-piece for the rest of the windows. So 1, 2, the back left, back all the way to the back in the boot there, and then the rear right, and then the front right as well. So there we go. That's the Jowua window shade set. I'm not sure whether you guys can see, but even that little triangular window between the C and D pillars is catered for, and that will block out light in that little triangle there. So very, very straightforward, very easy to install and use and pack away, because like all Jowua products, they're packaged really well, and you get a little carry bag that's very nice and very well presented, and that will fit inside the frunk or the boot or just in the second row there. So yeah, very handy. And yes, admittedly, to fold away, it does take a bit of practice. So I've showed you guys before how to do this in past videos. It's one of those foldy things. Yeah, with enough practice, you'll be fine to get it back into the bag. And they're pretty sturdy too, I gotta say. Sometimes sunshades are a bit flimsy, but certainly Jowua make very good products, very good sturdy products that fit, you know, for your Tesla Model Y, custom made. I've certainly never had the glass roof sunshade fall on top of me sitting in the car. So there we go, the shades completely block the inside of the car from the outside world, and all you see is a reflection of the trees around it. So yeah, very good for privacy. All right, well, there we go, guys. Jowua sunshades. I'll leave a coupon code on screen for a discount from Jowua, and also in the video description below for links to all these products. Thanks so much for watching. This is Tesla Tom from Ludicrous Feed. Until the next video, happy charging.